of this wonderful new state-of-the-art customer service centre.
Almost a bit of a metaphor for the BlueScope story. We've got this incredible amenity that's here that we've been able to take advantage of after some times where it wasn't so easy, and a brand new extension. So the old and the new here is pretty exciting.
Western Port is a very important part of our supply chain in Australia, into the Australian markets and into our export markets. It is our second largest manufacturing site in Australia, and we have approximately 700 employees in total here on this site, and then there are a further 100 embedded contractors and suppliers.
This new facility, with a capacity in excess of 100,000 tonnes per annum, consolidates BlueScope's steel processing capabilities in Victoria on one site using the latest technology, an automated slitting head build robot, which is the first of its kind in Australia, and we think perhaps the first of its kind in the Southern Hemisphere, and with a clear focus on our customers, safety and the welfare of our people. This customer service centre takes the steel coils that you can see around us, slits them, recoils them, and that meets the demands of our domestic customers.
You have a strong track record of anticipating market opportunities and customers' needs. You compete on value by developing products with significant international competitive advantage. You invest in a highly skilled workforce. You're globally orientated, integrated and connected, and using lead manufacturing technologies, techniques and data. So I think that's a fabulous endorsement.
We've got a ColourBond roof at home. And whether it's ColourBond, whether it's ColourSteel, whether it's Zincalume, who else makes products where people actually know the name of the steel? That's you guys. That's BlueScope. That's what you do. And you should be immensely proud. 120,000 tonnes a year, $34 million of investment, but most importantly, an additional 30 jobs, 2/3 of which are for people who were not in the steel sector, and almost 2/3 of which are for female employees. And with your history with Indigenous employment as well, that diversity just creates a modern workplace.
The opening of the service centre is also another investment by BlueScope in enhancing Australia's sovereign manufacturing capability.
So congratulations. I think BlueScope is a fantastic company. It's got an immense future in Victoria, and I'm proud to be part of your story.
Transform Western Port, transform BlueScope Australia and transform BlueScope as a global player is to see a great Australian story. And with that, I am delighted to join with Mark and Melissa in officially declaring open the new BlueScope Western Port Customer Service Centre.